Mycropore offers application-focused filtration and contamination control solution up to the PPT level to serve the advanced semiconductor wafer fab, as well as wafer bumping and related microelectronics industries. Mycropore has a strong technology and patent roadmap, unique capabilities in filter design and know-how.
Mycropore 呢是 ISO 核准的 Technology Center， 它有很强壮的研发团队，有制造的环境，也有很好的品管保证系统，能够服务呢全球的 Semicon 的客户，也能够支持市场上的需求。
Mycropore is strategically located in Taiwan, Hsinchu. We are in close proximity to many key semiconductor fabs such as TSMC, UMC, tool makers, and high-tech industries. In 2017, Shinetsu Polymer, known as SEP, became our strategic partner. Mycropore has worked very closely with them to establish a filtration lab, as well also to appoint them as our distributor in Japan.
With a state-of-the-art cleanroom manufacturing facility, Mycropore is capable of producing ultra-low metal filters up to the PPT level.
我们做了许多环境的控制。
这里的 cleanroom 呢有 Class 10,000， 有 Class 1,000， 在我后面呢是 Class 100的 cleanroom。
就目前手边有蛮多在做产品开发的部分。那以现有的客户急需的产品，我们有能够立即提供给客户的产品。那另外部分的话，我们也持续在做新产品的开发当中。
The key to Mycropore's success is in the people. We equip them with the know-how and develop them to become experts in their field.
Mycropore is well positioned for phenomenal sales growth worldwide.
我觉得 Mycropore 呢的产品跟市场对全世界的 Semicon 的市场呢非常有大的帮助。
We are committed to being a key partner, creating application-focused solutions for semiconductor and microelectronics related industries. Mycropore, application-focused specialist.